Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel EK Kitchen. Today we are going to make chimney chicken recipe, and it is famous restaurant recipe which I am going to replicate. Viewers, you are watching our videos, please do subscribe our channel as well, as many of the viewers are not subscribing. Let's get started. First of all, we'll blend a paste. For paste, I take 3 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander and 10 to 12 cashew nuts. We will blend it in a paste. Okay viewers, now in our 500 grams of chicken cubes, I will add this blended paste. My paste is little liquidy consistency. You can also make it little thicker. Here I have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I am also adding it. Half cup of curd. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. 1 teaspoon of black pepper crushed. Salt 2 teaspoons. Viewers, now we will mix all these things together. Then I will cling wrap it and put it in the fridge for marination. Viewers, now we will need dough for chimney. Let's see how we will make it. Here I have 500 grams of flour. I am adding 10 grams of yeast, 5 grams of bread improver, salt 10 grams, 1 tablespoon heaped sugar. We will mix all these dry ingredients together first. Now we will add our wet ingredients. Here I have 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. $200 ml of milk. Again, we will mix them together. Here I have 60 grams of melted butter. I am adding it to my flour. Viewers, now I will put it to my stand mixer for kneading. You can knead it by hand as well. Viewers, you can see my dough is beautifully kneaded, and now I am going to put it in a greased bowl. Viewers, now I will keep it for proofing. Welcome back viewers. The chicken has been marinated for good 2 to 3 hours. Now I will show you the further procedure. So viewers, I have taken 2 heaped tablespoons of butter. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Now I will add my chicken to it. We will cook the chicken till full done. Viewers, while my chicken is cooking, I am going to shape my chimneys. You can see the dough has been risen, and now I will shape it. I will cut my dough in 8 portions. I have done with my cutting, and now we are going to shape it. we will shape it in a long rope. So I have shaped it in a long rope, and now I will wrap it around my chimney cones. Here I have the chimney cones. You can easily find them in the stores. If you don't have them, you can make it with a cardboard wrapping foil paper around it. I will grease it and wrap my dough around it. So viewers, you can see my chimneys are ready. Now I will egg wash it, sprinkle some sesame and other toppings over it. You can see how I do it. Viewers, now I'm going to bake it on 220 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Viewers, as you can see, my chicken is ready and sauce has been thickened. Now I will make a malai sauce and add in my chicken. Viewers, for the malai sauce, I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter. In it, I will add 1 packet of cream. So viewers, now I will add a little bit of salt and black pepper to it. I'm adding very little salt, half teaspoon almost, because my chicken is little salty. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of cream cheese to it as well. My cream has been cooked and now my malai sauce is ready, and now I will add it to my chicken. So I have added my malai sauce to it and now I'm mixing it. My chicken is ready to be filled in the chimneys. Viewers, after 5 to 10 minutes, when the bread retains shape, I will put it over tray horizontally. I will also sprinkle some cheese over the bread. Now we will put it again for baking. Viewers, you can see my chimney is ready. Now I will fill it and serve it with sauteed vegetables and some corn macaroni. I'll show you the filling. This is the way. Now we will show you the end results. So viewers, we have served our creamy chimney chicken along with the sauteed vegetables. You can also try it at your homes. Do like, share and must subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.